Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about artificial intelligence or AI and how it can help us in the future. First, what is AI? AI is like a smart computer. It can think and learn. It will help us do things like find information, play games, and even talk to us. Imagine having a robot friend who can help you with your homework. That would be fun. Now, how can AI make our lives better? In the future, we might have cars that can drive themselves. This means less traffic and safer roads. AI can also help doctors find out what is wrong with people faster. This will help everyone get better quickly. AI can also help us learn. We can have special programs that teaches us new things like languages and math. This program can help us learn in a fun way. But we need to remember to use AI safely. We should not share our personal information online. AI is not perfect. Sometimes it can make mistakes, so we need to be careful. Dear friends, AI will be very important in our future. It can help us a lot, but we must use it wisely. I hope you are excited to learn more about AI and how it can make our world better. Thank you for listening.